Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. So came across this product here, and it's a tape measure that you put around your wrist for those who lose their tape measure quite a bit. I've had that happen to me before when I'm working around the house, whether it be outdoors or indoors. I'll be looking for my tape measure, and I'll be sometimes 5-10 minutes before I can find it again. If you're on a work site, carpenter, I'm sure that you probably lose it from time to time. Maybe if you have a work belt or put it in your pocket and you got a good habit. Otherwise, you could probably lose it throughout the day. This may be helpful to you or may not be. So anyway, here's what it looks like. It's the band, and it's got the tape measure down here, and you should be able to just pull it out pretty easy. And I've played with it a little bit, and I think I think it is practical. Now I'm a medium, and this is an large XL. Let me just show you. Now, there is something you need to be careful of. I'll show you in a little bit, but yeah, here's where you put it on. It's got a flex band, and yeah, just push your hand in there, put it around your wrist, and then this will kind of tighten it a little bit. But this right here, Velcro strap, is really for the tape measure itself. Okay, all right, and so when you need to measure, just reach down here and grab the tape, and then if you need to lock it, got the locking button right there, and unlock it. Alright, so let me show you the tape measure. Now you can use your own tape measure. This one is a 12 foot, and you can use a 12 to 16 foot tape measure. So what you need to watch out for is when you pull the strap off, make sure that you have the tape measure upright. Otherwise, if you have it like that, it's going to go flying out. It's actually happened to me a couple of times before making the video. Here's the tape measure that they give you for free. Pretty solid, pretty decent little tape measure, I think. 12 foot. Yeah, you can use your own tape measure. Just again, drop it in place like that, pull up the strap, and should be good to go. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it's been helpful. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.